Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today's video is something about very nice. So here I am presenting this beautiful scrapbook template by Craftreat, which is Rolodex. So this is a beautiful and wonderful template in which you will get everything already cut. So you will get the different cutouts of template, and also you will get the DIY instruction booklet inside this, and all the measurements are also given on the cover page. So today's video is about the YouTube hop, about the video I was surprising you and asking you from so many days. So here is the final day, and I'm showing you the step-by-step procedure which I have created using this wonderful template. So I have quickly opened this, and inside this you will get all the chipboard cutouts, all the cardstock cutouts, everything included in the kit. So you just need to follow the instructions and it's very easy to make. So today's video is about this Rolodex scrapbook, and I will share each and every step in a detailed procedure along with their measurements. So let's get started. To decorate my today's scrapbook, I am using this Dress My Craft Iconic Beauty pattern paper pack, and it has some wonderful 12 designs inside this. So first I am taking these 12 cutouts which are included in the kit, and this measures 6.25 by 4.25 inches, and on the top we need 1 centimeter extra fold. Now I'm just decorating each flap using 6 by 4 inches pattern paper from both the sides. So quickly I'm just decorating my 12 sheets from front and back. So I have just decorated all 12 sheets and they are ready. So they are the pages for our scrapbook. Now I'm taking this 7.5 by 8 inches chipboard cutout which is given in the template, and using this beautiful floral print from the paper pack, and first I'm just going to stick this chipboard cutout on directly the pattern paper. So from back side you have to stick, remember this thing, and on other side of this chipboard I have already connected other pattern paper. Similarly I am attaching the second chipboard cutout in the same way. Then I am just going to trim the excess paper around this using my paper cutter, and it's done. Similarly, also we need to cut the center circle. Like this. Now we have this 6.5 by 8 inches base which have slots on both the sides. So I'm quickly decorating this as well using pattern paper. Then I'm just connecting these two chipboard pieces on left and right side, so they have given the slots here, so between the slot you have to add glue and tuck your chipboard piece inside the slot. So it is very easy, just you need to apply and stick it like this. You just need to hold it for some time. So I have connected both the sides, but this is not perfectly connected, it's very fragile. So to make it sturdy, we have got the strip from the same template which measures 8 by 2 inches, and just we need to score it from center and fold it like this. So quickly I'm decorating it using pattern paper. Now take back your base and I'm going to connect this strip in a 90-degree angle like this, so that the side will connect very nicely with the base. Similarly, we need to add one more strip from outer side. So in total we will get 4 these type of strips to add on both the panels from front and back. So similarly I have attached another 2 strips on other side in the same way. So now our base for the scrapbook is ready. Now I'm taking one more sheet which measures 11 by 6 inches and I'm folding it on 1.5 inches. And then you just need to roll it using any bottle to create the rotation wheel or rotation pipe. So I'm just taking my sanitizer bottle and using this I am just making a pipe, and just check that your pipe should go easily from the hole. And now I'm just covering it from all the sides so that it will be easier to us to stick it. Now again just roll it and connect the glue on the folded part and create your pipe. Like this. Now I'm just passing my pipe through this from both the holes. And now we have this chipboard circle cutout, and this is given in the template, and we just need to decorate it using a circle pattern paper to close the ends of the pipe. I'm just cutting the excess paper. Now here I am taking one golden strip cutout, and I have added double-sided tape already with this, so I'm just connecting this strip with the circle cutout. And now I'm going to stick this with pipe. So just add glue inside this and connect on the end of the pipe. So it will look more finished. In the same way I have added on another side. And now you can easily rotate this between these hinges. Now I'm taking back my paper which we have decorated earlier, and on this folded part I am just adding double-sided tacky tape. This is one of the 12 sheets which we have decorated with pattern paper. In the same way I have added the tacky tape on all remaining flaps. Now just remove the liner from tacky tape, and exactly in the center I am going to attach my paper on this pipe. So I'm starting with this folded part and stick it like this. Now remove the other liner from the tacky tape and connect exactly on top of this by leaving 1 centimeter gap. Just burnish it, and in the same way I will add remaining 10 flaps. So here I have added all 12 flaps with the wheel, and it will work like this. Ta-da! Very interesting, isn't it? And now here for the front page, I have just decorated with golden border punch. And here we have given this 7 by 2 inches flap, and from 3 sides I have folded on half inches and decorated it with pattern paper. So I'm just sticking it like this to close it from front. Now with the paper pack I got this matching element sheet, so I'm just fussy cutting some of the elements to decorate my scrapbook. This is super beautiful pattern paper, iconic beauty, and you will get the beautiful different elements matching with the paper pack along with different sentiments. So you will definitely have fun decorating the scrapbook with these pattern papers. So here I have fussy cut different elements from the element sheet, and now I'm going to decorate the front page of my scrapbook using these elements. Here I have added the pattern paper strip and one more golden strip just to look it symmetrical from both the side. And now I'm going to decorate this below part first using some brick patterns and some flowers. Then here I am taking the door pattern which is given in the element sheet and the number. So all these element sheet are from the same pack. So I'm just decorating this door. And then I'm just connecting it with the front page. And adding some more elements here and there. Like this. So here I have added some sentiments as well from the same element sheet. Good vibes only, ooh la la, this beauty kills, and splatters of love. And also added some key butterflies here and there. And here in the bottom I have added each brick has a story to tell. And here I have decorated it with some die cutouts and border punch design. Similarly, I have decorated on this side. And on back side also I have covered it with the same procedure just like the front. And tada, the scrapbook is ready to decorate or to use. You can add lots of photographs or you can use this as a year calendar. So it's all up to you. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. And don't forget to participate on the YouTube hop conducted by Craftreat. All the details about the quiz is mentioned in description box. Don't forget to check that. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.